10 ways to make money online. The concept of work has changed quite drastically in the last few years. Fewer people are working in offices these days, and even more businesses and companies are constantly thinking of ways to make work completely remote. While it isn't entirely possible for the entire world population to work online, since some provide essential services that require their physical presence, there are still millions of individuals who make every single dollar online without having to leave their homes. In fact, the coronavirus pandemic showed that the importance of remote work cannot be overstated. Have you been thinking of ways to join the group of people working online? Then you are definitely doing the right thing at the right time. In this video, we will share with you the 10 best ways to make money online. However, you should note that these online work ideas aren't a get-rich-quick scheme, and they all require a certain level of dedication. With that said, let's take a look at the most profitable ways to make money online. But before we get into the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with notifications on, so you don't miss any of the new videos we post. Number 10. Become a TikTok consultant. TikTok has blown up to become one of the most relevant social media platforms today. Being an untapped market, unlike Instagram, TikTok has countless opportunities for digital-savvy individuals who want to earn some money. If you think you are trendy enough to create new video ideas for TikTok celebrities, then get in touch with them and tell them how you can help their brand. You can also help them create interesting bios, design beautiful profile pictures, and more. Interestingly, you can run all of these from your smartphone. But before these brands employ you, they would need to confirm that you can create viral videos that will increase fans' engagement. If you lack experience creating this, you can take diverse TikTok courses or do an analytical study of viral TikTok videos. With consistency, you will understand what makes viral videos unique and also be able to create killer content with that knowledge. Number 9. Drop shipping. This has become one of the most popular ways to make money online. In the last few years, drop shipping has become incredibly popular, and this is due to how popular it has become among entrepreneurs. Drop shipping is a form of retail business that involves you taking the order of your customers without actually having any of these products in stock. Usually when the order is made, you would then communicate with your drop shipping supplier, who is the one who would make the delivery to the customer. Drop shipping can also be quite lucrative. There have been reports of how an entrepreneur made over $6,667 from drop shipping in just 8 weeks. Another story tells about an entrepreneur who made over 6 figures selling just one product. All of these add up to the fact that the drop shipping business is a lucrative online business. In fact, you don't need any capital to start this business, and as soon as you make your first sale, your first profit will be in. To get started, you can use Oberlo Dropshipping, which gives you access to several products that you can add to your online store. You can also use social media platforms to promote the products you are selling through Facebook ads, DMs to potential customers, and using influencers. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest and most popular ways you can make money online. The popularity of affiliate marketing has waned over the past years, but it experienced a major growth in the 2020s, all thanks to the pandemic. Again, it showed that this is one of the most effective ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money by promoting other brands. You don't have to be a staff member of this brand. All you have to do is help this business sell their services. And for every time someone patronizes this business through you, you are paid a commission. You can be an affiliate marketer for any brand, including Microsoft, Amazon, Fiverr, and so on. What makes this job one of the best online jobs is because you can work for several banks at the same time. Choosing to work for just one brand will definitely mean lesser income. But when you choose to work for several brands, your income will be spread across several brands, which in turn will bring you more money. Number 7. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is competitive, but this doesn't mean you can't make money from starting your own channel. One of the highest paid YouTubers in the world is Ryan, an 8-year-old kid who reviews toys on his channel. Jeffree Star has also made more than $18 million from his YouTube content. Find a topic that interests you, create videos regularly, and try to build a strong and loyal audience. The secret to becoming a YouTube star is to create something that either entertains or educates. Strive to get over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, as these are the requirements to monetize your YouTube channel. Number 6. Become a social media influencer. Do you have thousands of followers on your social media accounts? Then you can turn your personal account into a business brand that charges for posts. In just 2019, Cristiano Ronaldo made almost $1 million for his sponsored posts on Instagram. It would definitely take you a while to earn that much when you start, but being an influencer is a way to make good money online. To become an influencer, you have to build a loyal, healthy, and dedicated list of followers. Two of the best platforms to start with are Instagram and YouTube, as the exposure on these platforms is enough to turn you into an overnight star. Number 5. Create an online course. This one is for the teachers and everyone else who enjoys teaching. If you consider yourself to be an expert on a certain subject, you can make money from this knowledge by creating courses online. You can start with Udemy, which is currently home to thousands of teachers from around the world. What makes this even more interesting is that you don't have to constantly edit the course, as you can sell just one course over and over again. You can make as much as $5,000 per month, and your income depends on the popularity of the course you choose. Number 4. Start a blog. Starting a blog remains one of the most efficient ways to make money online. Find a topic of interest, write about it, and build an audience. With platforms like WordPress and Shopify, you can create a blog without paying a single dollar. These platforms also have a catalog of great designs, which will help you grab the attention of readers. You can monetize your blog by adding affiliate links in your page or by using Google AdSense on your website. Number 3. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is another popular way to make money online. With platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, you can market your skills as a writer and find clients who are willing to pay you to complete certain tasks. To succeed as a freelance writer, it is important to build a strong portfolio, and this might mean doing a few free jobs at the start. As soon as you have a strong portfolio, you can start working on making money from big clients. Number 2. Become a language tutor. You'd be shocked to discover how many people around the world want to learn your native language. Be it English, French, Portuguese, or Spanish, there are millions of people around the world willing to pay to learn these languages. You can also use freelance platforms like Freelancer and Fiverr to find potential clients. But it is easier to use more targeted language platforms like Italki and Open Culture, as this will allow you to find clients whose only interest is learning a new language. Number 1. Become a virtual assistant. With the insane growth of remote work, more and more people are seeing the need for a virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant requires you to do a number of things daily. Could be writing, bookkeeping, customer support, drawing daily schedules, and even managing a social media account. Thanks to platforms like Indeed and virtual assistant jobs, you can earn up to $30 per hour as a virtual assistant. Also, you can reach out to brands and businesses to ask if they need a virtual assistant. It is also necessary to build a social media presence, as this will help you in locating new clients. And there you have it, the easiest ways to make money online. Do you think we missed out on any lucrative online work? Tell us about it in the comments section. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, as more exciting videos are on the way. Thank you.